What we want, brothers and sisters, is to see a deepening of the integration between our two countries. And you, the people who live on this border, the people of Kenya here in Moyale, the people of Ethiopia here in Moyale, have a central role to play to strengthen that relationship, that partnership. As Governor has said, we want to see Moyale becoming the Dubai of this whole region. Watu wawe wanakuja hapa Moyale. Vijana wa Kenya wapate kazi, vijana wa Ethiopia wapate kazi. Na watu wanakuja kununua vyombo vyao hapa na kuzipeleke katika nchi zingine. Hiyo ndio mwanzo wa uhusiano mwema. That is the beginning of true partnership, true cooperation. And we must also work together, because we cannot establish an economic victory if we are consistently also going to be having security challenges. So we must work together as two neighbors to deal with those elements who live in and amongst us and who threaten the peace and the stability of both Kenya and Ethiopia. Lazima tufanye kazi pamoja, tuwaondoe kati yetu, na ndio tuweze kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumelete utajiri na kuinua na kubadilisha maisha ya wananchi wa Moyale na wa Kenya mzima. Au ni namna gani? Si ni namna hiyo? Tumekubaliana? Kwa hivyo mimi ni kusema tu how happy we are today to welcome you, my brother. From here we are going to Lamu, from Lamu we are going to Mombasa, and all of these is just to continue to strengthen the partnership between our two countries, to increase the volume of trade between our two countries, to increase the level of investment between our two countries, and to tighten even further the bonds of friendship between our two people.
At the outset, I would like to appreciate for the warm and brotherly welcome accorded to us. I was so excited to see my own people who can speak my language from the other side. And it is a great joy for me to witness that we are one people, one family, into two countries with artificial border. This artificial border, in my opinion, will be dismantled with the new infrastructure. This new infrastructure will bring the two families, which is living in two countries, to come together and to tap untapped potential and lots of opportunity on business, economy, and so many other social aspects, including tourism. So this is one of the key milestones for the two people to exchange experiences, investment, trade, and tourism. I hope this will continue to our neighbors to integrate the whole East Africa as one family. As my brother was telling us about our friendship, my message for him today is, just like the infrastructure, we should work on peace and security of this area. Because peace is a foundation for everything we are aspiring to transform the life of our people. If we could eliminate Al-Shabaab and OLA from this region, you can see how these people can be transformed into one family, one country, one people with great joy and cooperation.